Hey, what's up? Friday, May 3rd. We just got back from San Luis Obispo area. Took about 11 hours to get home because we took some stops plus traffic. And now I'm all dressed up because Sherman and Joel are gonna hang out with us, or we're gonna hang out with them. And I don't know, man. Sherman said something about dressing up, and yeah, here am I dressing up.
Yeah.
There's me all dressed up. Sup? Feel like we're going to prom. Yeah, I need a date though. No one in mind.
Look.
Oh, that's sad. That's sad. I'm single for life. And we're here hanging out with Sherman. And Joel is driving. And we're all dressed up. Got my bow tie on and my fitty cap. Gosh, snapback.
It's Friday, Friday, fun, fun, fun.
Oh, you're recording.
Hello.
This is going
Wanna
on
go
your
out to
YouTube.
dinner? What's up? Lazy dog, I think.
I know.
YouTube.
Whoa! It's the Mad
what?
Look, we just bumped into the Mad Hatter and Alice. What's up? Temecula. Wait a minute.
Hello there. I don't know who I'm talking to, but I'm a big, big fan.
Love it.
Believe me, it's hot. I need a fan.
Hey, what's up? Are we in We're in Wonderland. What's going on?
You don't want some pussy?
I don't want couscous. So I don't want couscous. I want cooch cooch or kusi. Kusi?
Pussy.
I'm recording. Edit.
Here, hold it.
Oh, what is this?
First dips.
It's the watermelon tequila fresca.
Wow, what's in the rim?
Hey, Fresco.
I know, but don't be licking my rim.
I dig it.
My drink has finally arrived. Bermuda Sunset.
There you are. Enjoy your
It looks like
What's in my
syrup.
sister pie? What is that?
She's drinking syrup.
My sister's gonna be drinking jam. What's this?
dessert.
I'm fishing for a cherry.
I might not.
Sounds like
I finished my first drink. I
have
beat these
martini.
bitches. I beat them.
That's what I want.
Oh.
I want a martini.
There's a slit right there, too.
All the bomb good.
Dude, that part was soaked in the alcohol.
That one thing is good. It's soaked in alcohol. I'm not an alcoholic.
Yes.
Is this anonymous?
I only go to AA meetings.
Black
I'm
salt.
not an alcoholic.
There's such thing.
Alcohol
We
makes me.
put that on
Red.
our,
But since I ran out, it makes me.
Red, look.
It's a shark.
Oh,
It's a shark.
It's a shark.
I don't think you like sharks, right?
Right.
It's a shark.
Oh, it's gonna fall. So wrong.
Joel needs Jesus in his life. He did the sign of the cross without knowing, and I think it's because he's buzzing. Alcohol got him praying.
I feel my drink. You're here.
It in your gut.
Amen.
Delicious.
I think my sister's an alcoholic.
gosh, it's
We just got our food. I'm going dessert first. Joel with. He was about to slap him with his tortilla again. It ain't your birthday. You got steak. What'd you guys get?
Oh, yeah. Carne asada.
Sister got it.
Thai chicken
That doesn't
salad.
even belong in the clip. What a salad.
We're gonna have like
Butter
5
cakes.
clips saying, "Oh, look at my dessert. I ordered dessert."
I'm fancy. I got a twist off bottle. Look at that.
What is
Corn.
that?
Bubbly. Gangster.
Juice?
Oh, that's what's up. Thank you, Ashley. The boss is what's up.
She made you a candle.
Okay, my lip ring popped off just now. And I don't know if it's on my boot because I can't see it.
Popping bottles. Oh man, find it. Joel lost his lip ring. Find your ring. Who's Jerry proposing to you?
It is Mexican food.
That's the best way.
So I do or not? That's good.
Joel can't find
pull it
his
out.
lip ring. He's looking through his food.
It's black too.
That's a black bean right there. So is it a yes or a no?
Oh, I found it.
Pull it out, pull it out.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Oh, how sweet! Joel said yes.
That's not me.
I think I'm
Oh, you
drunk.
are so
Who has some? You think?
Yeah, buddy.
What's up, bright late?
Your spider web?
Gonna finish my drink. Don't tell Ashley.
But it's yogurt.
Don't tell her.
I think I need some kind of like sugar or something.
It's 11 o'clock and we're on a mission to find the frozen yogurt place that's open because that's what they're craving. I'm cool. I got my dessert. Ooh, got my cake and ate it too. Dessert first. She was a hater.
You're an alcoholic.
I do.
I know. You know what? I have proof. Where is it?
Wait, you mean to tell me this is not Vegas? Wait a minute.
Shoot, if it was Vegas, we would not be having a hard time trying to find dessert.
Oh, that's true. So, who's down to go to Vegas? Like right
I
now.
don't know, work till 12.
Oh, I gotta go to work.
May doesn't have to come.
Yeah, go ahead.
Just
Come
kidding.
home first, so.
We're just gonna kidnap May and we're gonna go to Vegas.
Should we just put a full tank of gas?
See, we're good. So after dinner from Lazy Dog, we went to Food for Less, and then they bought that stuff. Okay, make it good. So this was nice. We went to Harvesting Lake to go and enjoy some ice cream, but now I think there's security that might kick us out, so I think we should leave. And maybe we should because I brought something that I shouldn't have on me. Just saying. So we got kicked out of Harvesting Lake because it's past curfew, so we decided to go to a different park. I'm not quite sure if that's a good idea because last time me and Joel were at a park together after hours, we got in trouble. We got
We
a
almost
site.
got tickets again.
Yeah, we
Or
got.
we almost got in trouble again.
So basically, we're just going to parks to eat ice cream and hope we don't get kicked out. Comfortable by my friend.
Where are you going?
I'm just gonna.
Oh, he misses me already. Then he's scarfing that down like there's no tomorrow.
Parkour! Ready? Parkour!
If you fall and hurt yourself, I will laugh.
I so saw that.
And when no one was around, Andy's toys came to life. Okay, everybody, coast is clear.
Andy's family was moving soon, and Woody was trying to keep the toys organized.
Okay. Yes. One month. The birthday party has been moved today. Suddenly, Ham the piggy called out. Birthday guest at 3 o'clock.
No.
Almost 1 o'clock. I think it's time to leave. We're still here at the park. We were actually reading.
Being read too.
Yeah. Alright, good night. Until next time. Thanks.